Good morning, students. Today I am taking the revision 4. Some of the questions are there. I am discussing both question and answer. Hope from this you will get some of the MCQs in your unit test 1. My first question is, what are types of resources? What are types of resources? So we had three types of resources. The types of resources are natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. My next question is, define natural resources. Answer of these: resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. I am again repeating this answer. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. My third question is, write any two examples of non-renewable resources. The answer of this is, the two examples of non-renewable resources are natural gas and petroleum. I am again repeating, natural gas and petroleum are the two examples of non-renewable resources. Now next question is, define resource conservation. Answer is, resources carefully or giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. My next question is, define land. Answer of this, land is among the most important natural resources is known as land. Next question is, define soil. Answer of this, the thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. Next question is, define land use. Answer of this is, land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads and setting up of industries. So this we can say commonly termed as land use. So we are using this land for these purposes. Next, write few points how the factors affecting soil formation. So mainly, answer of this is, mainly we had 5 points. First, parent rock. Second, relief. Third, flora and fauna and microorganism. Fourth, time. And fifth, climate. I am again repeating this answer. The affecting soil formation are mainly 5 types. First, parent rock, relief, flora and fauna and microorganism, climate and time. My next question is, list some methods of soil conservation. Answer of this is, list some methods of soil conservation are mulching. First, second, counterbarriers, COUNTOURBARRIERS, counterbarriers. Third, rock dam. Fourth, terrace farming, spelling of this TERRACE, farming. Next, intercropping. Fifth one is intercropping, spelling of this INTERCROPPING, intercropping. 6. Counter ploughing, CONTOUR ploughing, PLOUGHING ploughing. Last, shelter belts. And my next question is define ecosystem. Answer of this: biosphere, living beings are interrelated and interdependent on each other for survival. Full stop. This life supporting system is known as the ecosystem. Next, define biosphere. Answer of this: natural vegetation and wildlife exist only in the narrow zone of contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere that we call as biosphere. Again, I am repeating this answer. See, natural vegetation and wildlife exist only in the narrow zone of contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere that we call biosphere. Thank you.